Hi, I'm Tony Steuer. And here's the moment I realized that financial confidence isn't about knowing everything. It's about knowing the right questions and what to ask. When I started in finance, I thought spreadsheets and strategies were enough. However, I kept meeting people who had all the right plans, yet they still felt unprepared. And that's when I knew something had to change. So I built new tools. I wrote my first book, Questions and Answers on Life Insurance, which led to the Get Ready Blueprint. And now the Get Ready Movement, which is all focused on helping people ask better questions and feel more confident with money. On this Financial Awareness Day, I invite you to take one small step. Review your documents. Talk to someone about your goals and your money, or ask a question that you've been putting off. Financial readiness isn't a destination, it's a practice. Let's change the way we talk about money together.